Welcome to the second part of this case study where I try to turn $25 into a $100,000 business. In this part I show you what you get for $25 and how to set up everything and where to get your links so you could start earning money. I just started this case study, that's why I can't show you any results yet. The reason I'm doing this case study is that I saw that it's possible to make money with this all-in-one $25 digital business. And here you see some proof from other guys. But I think I will succeed because I'm doing the same and follow the steps of these guys. And now I show you what you get with the $25 business. So they tell you you can create $100,000 yearly residual income in 12 months or less. So residual, that's amazing if you get paid month after month. You do the work once, you sign up one person, and as long as this person is signed up, you get money. For example, if you're an Amazon affiliate marketer and you would promote a $100 product and you get 10% commission, you would get $10. And if you get 10 people to do so, you get $100. So, and with this all-in-one business, because it's residual and you get 80% commissions, if you just sign up 4 people, for example, not even 10, and they pay just $25 and not 100, so these 4 people pay together $100, you get $80. And the next month, you don't have to do more work, you get this $80, and if you sign up more people, it adds up. And this is why they say one sale can turn into almost $75,000 per year. It's one sale per week, because every time someone signs up, your paycheck gets higher and higher, and every month you will get more money. If you haven't signed up already, you should go and do so. And then you will be on this page where you can sign up for this amazing opportunity. The best part about this page, it's done for you. If you sign up, you get this exact page. Everything is done. The guys from the Home Business Academy did all the hard work and the tech stuff, and you can use it. If you don't know where to sign up, there's a link below underneath this video. It should be something like this, show more, and all-in-one online business, and click on this link, and then you will get on this page. Then click on sign up, it will lead you down, and when you're here, scroll a little bit up, check out this video, because you get an amazing bonus. You get the HBA Premium 2 weeks for free. Just let them know that you don't want it anymore and you won't get charged anything. I would do this, just click over here and then give me access. Then you will get the email with instructions to follow, easy to do, and then you can set up your account. I'll show you later what you get for the HBA Premium and why you should do it, at least for these 2 weeks. So, continue. I like these words. So what do you get for the $25 per month? You get the Funnel Builder automation tool. The rest, and there is a lot of rest, is 100% free. And with this Funnel Builder, you can build your pages, or you get done for you pages. I show you how to get them and how to set up everything in a minute. But I want to show you this Funnel Builder and how easy it is. If you're inside the Home Business Academy, go to the Funnel Builder tool, login. So this is a funnel. Click over here. You can preview how it would look. And this is done for you. And if you want to change anything, just write something, change colors. If you want not just the email, click over here, edit field, plus you want the name and the email, and now it's over here. So it's really easy to do. Drag and drop. If you want to place it here, now it's over here. So I will discard everything. And if you want a funnel, it's easy. New step, page, and here are a lot of done for you funnels that you can use. But we will come to that when we set up the all-in-one business. And if you need help with your funnel, so here at the HBA Funnel Builder, watch these videos, welcome to start, what you do, then a setup, if you want to import your domain and everything. Then here you have a lot of training, and that's all free, and you get live coaching. So this is what you get, the funnel builder. And if I can, and now I want to show you really cool funnels. Okay, so let's go back. This is what I just mentioned. It's free. Then you get the 30-minute Workday formula. That's an ebook with a lot of value, and you can also use it as your own lead magnet. So you can give this away for free to collect email addresses and follow up and show them the offer. Then you get the Freedom Launchpad. I just show you both. When you're inside Freedom Launchpad, over here you have the course, perfect customer, perfect products, how to write emails and everything, perfect traffic. And here you have the escape plan as a book, and you have it as audio book. You can download this audio, and this is the book. It's a big book, but with a lot of value. And you can give this away for free and collect email addresses. And that is what we set up in this video. Okay, let's go back. So then you get the funnels, traffic swipe file, the ultimate email swipes. It's also training on emails, because you have to follow up with your leads and remind them about your offers, because people need normally 7 to 15 contacts before they buy something. So it's crucial for your success to follow up with them and remind them about you. And then you get 50 pre-written emails, so you can send 50 emails to these people. It's almost $500 value, and you get it for free inside the Launchpad, ultimate email and traffic file. And here you have new training and the done for you emails to download. Then you can put them into your autoresponder and send 50 emails to your leads. So you have emails for about 2 months to send them. And you get a great community. So, and a part of the money they donate to give meals to starving children. So you also support a good cause with this funnel builder. These are the co-founders. Okay, you can go through this, read everything, get money back guarantee. This was the video for the premium. Just check it. And I show you the premium. It's about traffic conversations. This is really crucial, because if you don't get people to see your offers, nobody is able to buy it. And here you get a lot of training. You see it over here, free traffic with Facebook, with YouTube. If you want to start blogging, these are really great courses. So it's not just if you click over here for the example for the YouTube ranking, you don't get one video. This video is 20 minutes, and then the lesson 2 of 15, and so on. It's a lot of knowledge you can get. And if you join, just go through this in the 14 days, then you can cancel it if you want to, but take it, because here you learn a lot of stuff. And something I forgot to mention when we talked about the funnel builder, there are funnel builder out there like ClickFunnels. For ClickFunnels, for example, you pay $97 per month. Here it's $25, so it's a fraction of the price. And with ClickFunnels, if you want to become an affiliate and to earn your money back, you get as a starter 20%. You need to have first $1,000 in commission with other products from them to get bumped up to 40%. So, and 20% is $20 per month. So you need 5 signups that your funnel builder is free. With this all-in-one business, it's $25 and you get 80% commissions, so you get also $20. So with 2 signups, you're already in profit, and that's really amazing. And as an affiliate, look for recurring commissions. You do the work and you get paid multiple times. So now let's put everything together. When you're logged in, you have this affiliate tab over here. Then you have to create a SAM card. This is where you get your affiliate links. Just open it. We don't need it right now. And here you have the quick start guide, the 4 steps, what you should do first, and how you get your first customers really quickly, email templates and everything. If you have already an email list or you have a following on social media, just start with this one, go through this training. And here is the done for you funnels. And we want this one, the all-in-one business. And here is the commission breakdown. The main offer is the funnel builder. So you get $20. And if they stay signed up, you get $20 per month. This is for the premium. If you have the premium and someone else signs up for premium, you get $100 per month. So it's really bump up in commission, but you also have to pay your part. Otherwise, you won't get the affiliate commission. So you have to have HBA premium, otherwise you won't get the commission. And there's also the Financial Literacy Academy. It's $500 and you get 400 of them. Here is how to set up the funnel. Watch the video, they will show you everything. And also example emails. Just go through the training. Okay, and now put your website, also called funnel, together. So we are in the affiliate zone. Then we go to the funnel builder. Open the funnel builder tool. I have it already open over here. And then you should be on this page. There should be nothing else inside. Then click on this one, funnels, add a new step, page, go to all-in-one business. And here you have a capture page and a thank you page. And this is how this system works. So you send people from TikTok, YouTube, other social media, you send them to this page. Over here, they sign in with name and email address, and then they will go to this page over here, to the thank you page. Here they can download everything, and there's also an offer to the all-in-one $25 business. And when you have the email, you can remind them about this day after day. For 50 days you can send them back to your offer. After they have been on this page and they have the ebook, send them back to the main sales page. So this is how it works. And now import this one. This is done for you. Just select. Then you need a name, a capture page, and add. So this is the capture page. Then go back to funnels. Here you have it. You don't have these 2 pages. This is my actual funnel that's already working. So add a new step page. Go back to the all-in-one business. Select this one. This is thank you. Thank you. Just name it how you like it, and so that you find it. And now this is this page. And now we have to change 3 steps on this page. So click over here, funnels, go to your capture page, and you will be on this page. And now if someone comes to this page, they enter name and email and give me access. We have to guide them to our second page, to the thank you page, where they can download it. So edit settings, go over here. We want to put them to the funnel and to the funnel step, thank you. And choose the funnel just created, select, and then save. And now it should guide you to the other step, but we will test this if it works in a minute. So then you have this one, get your free escape plan. Click over here, edit link, go to funnel, and now click over here and do the anchor point back to opt-in and select. Save again. Don't forget to save. Then go all the way down and do the same. Edit link, back to opt-in, select, save. What this will do, if you click over here, it will automatically guide you back over here. So now we have this one. We go to funnels, go to our thank you page, because this is the page where we want to earn our money. Now we need also our SAM card. So you see I haven't made a sale yet, brand new to this. And we need the escape plan PDF over here. This is your affiliate links and they work for you. Here's your affiliate ID. So you can promote already this site. This is how the site looks, but this is not your affiliate link. Always copy yours. Otherwise they don't know that you referred the customer and they can't pay you. Click over here. We want the PDF. Copy. Go back to our website. Click here to open on this button. Edit link. Go to an external link. Paste your link over here. And we want to open this one in a new tab and select and save this page. Here is the all-in-one business. So we go back to the SAM card, to the sales letter, copy this one, website, click over here, edit link, we want an external link, and paste it again. And now we can open it in the same tab. So now that we have the link inside, click on save again. Now we're going to test if everything works fine. Go to funnels, select your capture page and click over here. And this site is already online. So if someone gets this link, it will hopefully work. Let's see. First we test the buttons. We go to the button. Perfect, works fine. And we had a second one over here. Perfect, brings you back to this opt-in form. Then type in your name and your email and click on give me access. If this should work, we are on the thank you page. Perfect. And here is a little sales video and how to get everything, how to grab it. Then if you want the escape plan, click over here. Here is the lead magnet, the free ebook. This is already labeled with your affiliate ID. So if someone chooses to join the Home Business Academy because of this PDF, there are links for that inside. You get the commission. Okay, now we thought that this worked. We go back and click over here, and here it should open the main sales page. And it just worked perfectly fine. So then go back, because now you have a contact, but you don't have an autoresponder. I show you this in the next part of the series, how to connect an autoresponder, that you can send follow-up emails, you build a sequence, and that's everything is automated and you send the people the follow-up sequence. So, but the contacts over here, they are not lost. If you go over here to contacts, you should see your name and your sign up over here if you did everything correct. I have other people over here that already signed up, so you don't lose them. And you have email addresses over here, but not have the autoresponder connected. I show you how to import them into the autoresponder as well. If you want to start right away with this and you need your links, over here on your SAM card, you have this link, just copy it. For example, if you do the social media post, just post this, for example, on Facebook. And if someone says yes, you can post your SAM card link over here, direct to the sales page. And if you want to start collecting email addresses and give away this free escape plan, don't use this link over here because you want the email address. Go to your website, funnels, take your capture page and click over here, and this is your link. Copy this link and promote this one. And for the next videos, I show you how to connect your autoresponder with this funnel and how to promote the all-in-one $25 business.